In this episode, we are looking at the best PC case on the market for every price range.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
Corsair iCUE 220T case. The steel grille front panel of this case is well designed to improve the air intake and provide excellent cooling to the PC components. The case supports the connection of up to 6 RGB fans via the iCUE lighting node core, and it also comes with 3 Corsair SP120 RGB Pro fans. Like many other PC cases, this case has a tempered glass side panel that allows users to see the interior components. It is available in different options and black or white color, so users can pick one to match their setup. Be Quiet Pure Base 500DX BGW37 case. This case is available in a white or black design with an air-permeable top and front covers that include easy-to-clean filters. It offers the option of installing 5 SD cards with 2 at a position where they are visible through the tempered glass window panel of the case. The case features ARGB LEDs at the front and inside the case with various colors and modes that allow users to customize the case as much as they want. There is an option to synchronize the lighting with the ARGB controller or motherboard in the PC.
Halfway of our list, I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.